A few additional dollars here or there are always welcome. It's great to have the opportunity to enhance your income, but it's even better when you can do it with minimal effort. The internet provides nearly infinite opportunities for additional or passive income. However, sorting out the legitimate from the fraudulent among the many get rich quick schemes and other dubious offerings can be challenging. Although this may be the case, it is not to say that there aren't good and trustworthy places to start making some extra cash. So if the idea of making money online scares you, we have good news for you. Making money today is easier than ever, and today, we're going to talk about a website where you can easily earn money just by clicking ads. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. And today we are going to talk about earning money fast just by clicking. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So this strategy does not cost anything to execute and can be used in any part of the world. In a moment, we'll demonstrate how to create a free account. So in addition, I'll provide you with a wealth of insider information that can double your earnings compared to any other source. So to begin, you will need to go to the website scarletclicks.info. So I want you to go there, and if you want to make money using this website, I want you to click on advertisements using your phone or computer. So, which is a very pretty simple process. They have already distributed more than $2 million to a large number of members from all around the world, and they are continuing to pay further individuals. Signing up is required so that you can create a free account. So I want you to simply click the button located at the very top of the page, and that will take you to the page where you can register. Next, you will be asked to provide your full name, date of birth, username, password, and email address, all of which are significant pieces of information. Then when you reach the section labeled Payment Account, which can be found further down the page, you will be able to enter all information necessary to get your money. So Skrill, Nettler, AirTM, Payeer, and Bitcoin are all payment options that could be used to pay you. If you so want, you can also receive your money by transferring it to your bank account through PayPal Money. So after you've completed all of those steps, you'll be able to log into your ScholarClicks account and look through the many advertisements for opportunities to make money online by clicking on them. So you can see that people make $1.50 online by clicking on advertisements on this website repeatedly. So this information is located on the right-hand side of the page. But before I continue, I just want to know, have you ever tried websites where you can earn money just by clicking? You know what? Let us know your suggestions and experience in the comments below. Now, I want you to pay attention because what's about to be discussed is very important. This is an image, but as you can see, it contains a great deal of text in a very little box like this one. Now, whenever you click on this little box, it will transport you to a different website where you are required to remain for 30 seconds. So you have the potential to earn $1.50 if you do this. You can see that it will take you to a different random website if, for instance, you click on this box right here. You can see that, and then on the following box, if you stay on this website for at least 30 seconds, you'll receive $1.50. This website will become one of your favorites because it displays a number of boxes on a single image. And if you want to make money online, all you have to do is click on any of those boxes. So this single image contains a total of 560 boxes. And if you click on any of the advertisements, you have the potential to earn $1.50 each time. That means that just this one photo will give you the potential to earn $840. Now, it is important that you know that the clicks will be reset at midnight. So you have the ability to click on these boxes, as you can see here, several times to access a wide range of websites because they will automatically refresh themselves. So the positive aspect is that as soon as you finish editing one picture, you may move on to editing the next one in the sequence. So here's an additional piece of advice. If you click on certain random boxes, you might be able to unlock some video advertisements. So it is therefore possible to earn twice as much money right now by going to a video rather than a website. So this is really good news because it means that you can earn $3. Isn't that awesome? Like, if you compare $1.50, I would rather go with the $3, right? So you only need to stay seated for the entirety of the advertisement because only then will you be eligible to get the reward of $3. So we want to give you one more bonus tip. If you go to a certain website and see banner ads like these, you can click on them to go to a special website where you can make more money. Now, one thing I like about this site is that if you make the most money in a month, you can get a bonus payment. So you can make more money online if you click on more boxes and ads on this website. And you'll also get extra money every month. The possibility of earning money online by performing only a few simple clicks gives off a great vibe. Like, it's the vibe, it's giving. Nevertheless, it is necessary to keep a level head. Because the pay for using many of these sites is very little, it is going to take some time before you can make anything that can be considered considerable using these sites. In spite of this, using these websites to make a little additional money on the side is still an option that should not be discounted. You know what? The field pays well actually, but you have to be able to change and adapt to new market trends. A good amount of experience and certifications can help someone move quickly from a side job to a full-time career. So, what are you waiting for? I want you to start and make an account right now and click on those ads. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave us a comment. Tell me if you've enjoyed, if you want to know more about this topic. Just leave us a comment below and we'll be happy to read it. And maybe we could also reply to it and, keep the conversation going. If you want to watch more videos, we have a lot of them on our channel. So you can just head on over to Money Talk and you can just watch all of them. And I'll see you in the next video, right? Tune in for more.